Welcome back. Goa State BJP has begun preparation for the Vijay Sankalp rally of BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi. The meeting will be held on 12 January on a ground in Marseilles. In a meeting of the BJP Executive Committee, party workers and the booth presidents on Sunday, the BJP has prepared to gather a crowd of almost a lakh for the meeting. The Prime Ministerial candidate of BJP, Narendra Modi, is set to open the Goa campaign of the Lok Sabha elections at this meet.
मेरशे ते पळय फोण्या जंक्शन फोण्या वचपाचो बायपास आहा दाव्या हाताक शेत जें आहा त्या शेतान नारयल व्हडलो ग्रावंडूच मेळना बिकॉज इट इज 1 लाख प्लस. म्हज्या हिशोबान आमी एक धरला न्हय 1.5 जातलो. लोक स्वताहून येतले. आमकां फक्त कितें आहा पयसच्यान येणाऱ्यांक थोडीशी वाहन वेवस्था गोंयान करची पडटा. नाल्यार इतले लोक पयसच्यान येवंक शकना. तितलोच आमी प्लॅनिंग करता आनी कांय ना. आमंत्रण दिवप आनी वाहन वेवस्था करप.
ही आमची खरी मिटींग आशिल्ली ती खरी म्हणजे नरेंद्र मोदीच्या 12 तारखेक तेजी तयारी करपा खातीर मिटींग आसा आनी नरेंद्र मोदीच्या सभेची तयारीच्या दृश्टीन कार्यकर्ते सगळे कामाक लागलेले आसा आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान मागीर आतां मुख्यमंत्र्याचो आमी पक्ष कार्यकर्ते म्हणून सत्कार केल्लो आसा जो इंडिया टुडेचो जो आमकां एवॉर्ड मेळ्ळो आसा म्हणजे स क्षेत्रांनी आमी भारतीय जनता पक्षाचे सरकार मनोहर पर्रीकराचे आघाडीचेर आसा ताचो आमी सत्कार केल्लो.
Goa government has assured the High Court that it will not give the permission to erect shacks or licenses for the beach deck beds at the cost of visitors' convenience and the environment. Government in its statement before the court has stated that during issuance of the licenses for the shacks and deck beds, CRZ norms and tourist convenience will be taken care of. The High Court has disposed of the PIL following government's assurance.
The High Court expressed satisfaction with the number of shacks and deck beds permitted for tourist season 2013-16. Goa government has said to the court that deck beds do not restrict access to the tourists on the beach anywhere. The court has observed that Goa Coastal Zone Management Authority, which consists of 11 experts, must have applied its mind to the aspect as to how many number of shacks could be permitted on the particular beach so as to avoid over-exploitation of the beaches. The High Court has also shown its satisfaction over the compulsory provisions done in the beach shack policy to ensure general cleanliness of the beaches, garbage disposal from beach shacks, and installation of portable toilets. Government has also assured the court that no amendment to the beach shack policy concerning increasing number of shacks and deck beds would be made unless they are approved by the CZME. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.